High-density polyethylene or polyethylene high-density is a polyethylene thermoplastic made from petroleum. It is sometimes called alkethene or polyethylene when used for pipes. With a high strength-to-density ratio, HDPE is used in the production of plastic bottles, corrosion-resistant piping, geomembranes, and plastic lumber. HDPE is commonly recycled, and has the number 2 as its resin identification code. In 2007, the global HDPE market reached a volume of more than 30 million tons. Properties: HDPE is known for its large strength-to-density ratio. The density of HDPE can range from 0.93 to 0.97 grams per cc or 970 kilograms per cubic meter. Although the density of HDPE is only marginally higher than that of low-density polyethylene, HDPE has little branching, giving it stronger intermolecular forces and tensile strength than LDPE. The difference in strength exceeds the difference in density, giving HDPE a higher specific strength. It is also harder and more opaque and can withstand somewhat higher temperatures. High-density polyethylene, unlike polypropylene, cannot withstand normally required autoclaving conditions. The lack of branching is ensured by an appropriate choice of catalyst and reaction conditions. Applications: HDPE is resistant to many different solvents and has a wide variety of applications. Swimming pool installation. It can be recycled desk lamp, 3D printer filament, arena board, backpacking frames, ballistic plates, banners, bottle caps, chemical-resistant piping, coax cable inner insulator, food storage containers, fuel tanks for vehicles, corrosion protection for steel pipelines, personal hovercraft albeit too heavy for good performance, electrical and plumbing boxes, far IR lenses, folding chairs and tables, geomembrane for hydraulic applications and chemical containment, geothermal heat transfer piping systems, heat-resistant firework mortars, hard hats, hula hoops, last for shoes, natural gas distribution pipe systems, fireworks, plastic bags, plastic bottles suitable both for recycling or reuse, plastic lumber, plastic surgery, root barrier, snowboard rails and boxes, stone paper, storage sheds, telecom ducts, Tyvek, water pipes for domestic water supply and agricultural processes, wood plastic composites. HDPE is also used for cell liners in Subtitle D sanitary landfills, wherein large sheets of HDPE are either extrusion or wedge welded to form a homogeneous chemical-resistant barrier, with the intention of preventing the pollution of soil and groundwater by the liquid constituents of solid waste. HDPE is preferred by the pyrotechnics trade for mortars over steel or PVC tubes, being more durable and safer. HDPE tends to rip or tear in a malfunction instead of shattering and becoming shrapnel like the other materials. Milk jugs and other hollow goods manufactured through blow molding are the most important application area for HDPE, accounting for 1/3 of worldwide production, or more than 8 million tons. In addition to being recycled using conventional processes, HDPE can also be processed by recycle bots into filament for 3D printers via distributed recycling. There is some evidence that this form of recycling is less energy-intensive than conventional recycling, which can involve a large embodied energy for transportation. Above all, China, where beverage bottles made from HDPE were first imported in 2005, is a growing market for rigid HDPE packaging. As a result of its improving standard of living, the material has benefited from discussions about possible health and environmental problems caused by PVC and polycarbonate-associated bisphenol A, as well as its advantages over glass, metal, and cardboard.